my God. It's delicious. It's delicious. All right, tonight hamburger. This beautiful hamburger. Please stay tuned and I'll show you how I made this delicious and juicy hamburger with fresh herbs, potatoes. And I appreciate if you subscribe to our channel and like, and I will show you how I make this. We're gonna make hamburger with classical beef and portabella mushrooms we're gonna use tonight. Is the way I like to make this. It's a bit like a restaurant style and that we can make at home. We're gonna make it in the pot, not outside in the grill because it's rainy, and for those days we cannot stay outside. We can cook burgers inside, you know, in the pan. And we're gonna use some lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, my secret sauce, and we're gonna serve our burger with potatoes made and make the way I like, not French fries. I'm gonna show you later how we make these potatoes. It's easy and beautiful and very flavorful. I'm gonna use some clarified butter for everything. I cook the potatoes and the mushrooms and the beef will be cooked with clarified butter tonight. Right, mushrooms. Right here, we're gonna add some salt. And we're gonna saute them and take the water out. If you wanna, your mushrooms are a bit extra flavorful, you can use some truffle infused oil, olive oil, just a little bit, and then they've got that flavor that it's so wonderful about the truffle flavor. Okay, the beef, like I said, it's about 200 grams, around 180, 200, depends how you like. I like to put some oil on it, just a little bit. Then we're gonna start and form like this by pressing and keep it round. I'm gonna have some in the middle, pressed more in the middle. Just like this. Season our with a bit of salt, a bit of pepper on top. And now we're gonna turn over and we're gonna season on the other side too with some salt, because I don't like to put salt and seasoning inside the meat, because the salt will gonna push out the juices from the meat. It's okay on outside, and after we season, we round and we prepare the meat, we're gonna start and cooking them. All right, our oil is ready, and we're gonna start cooking our burger. Once we got our meat in the pan, we don't move, we don't touch too much. We let it cook and let the meat to get that Maillard reaction, and then we're gonna turn it over. We're gonna cook it to rare, medium, or well done. Depends, you know, everybody how it likes. I like rare, medium rare. The Maillard reaction, it's the caramelization of the protein of the meat, and you see is that this browning caramelized protein here, it's called the Maillard reaction. We're gonna keep it cooking. We're covering, that's why we can cook there and keep the juices inside and help to cook evenly. Let's see what happened here with ours. Ooh, nice. Nice caramelization. Everything looks good. We're gonna check with our thermometer here to see. Right now it's 125. Like this it's rare. We're gonna keep it like medium rare tonight to be okay for everybody. Post our bun here, the hamburger bun, because that way we're gonna seal the bread and the juices. We're not gonna keep our bread soggy or wet. We need our bread to be nice and dry. This way, our bun, our bread, it's ready. We need this color. And looks good. We're gonna cook our potatoes. I poach them. I pre-cook them in the water for like 13 minutes. And now we're gonna finish them here with our butter and the herbs. Some garlic too for flavor. These are our potatoes. And now we're gonna add some fresh herbs. I got here parsley, basil, and some dill, like this. You see how nice these people, they are done. Good. Our meat is ready. We're gonna use our sauce. Put some on the base right here like this. Then we're gonna use our romaine. Just like this. Our tomato. Slice of tomato. Now we're coming with our meat and cheese, you see, right from the pan, hot and juicy. Let me remove this here. Okay, now we're gonna come with our mushrooms. Our mushrooms that are made with truffle oil. If you like, you can make and made with truffle oil. If no, you can make simple. We got some pickles. We're gonna use 2 slices of pickles right here. And gonna add some more sauce here on top of our bread, because we like with this sauce. This is very important. Wow, this way. I'm gonna put on top like this. We're gonna use our stick to keep the hamburger stay together. Wow, you see it's juicy, beautiful. We're gonna cut through it. All right, let's cut and see what happens here. Wow. I see some juices coming out. Let's see what happened. Wow, do you see the meat is nice and juicy, and everything looks beautiful. We're gonna taste this delicious hamburger with potatoes, with sauce, with tomatoes, with mushrooms, pickles, and cheese. This is my burger. What do you think? came very juicy, very nice. Let's see, you see? Mamma mia, let's taste it to see what happened. My God. It's delicious.
Good.
Delicious. It's delicious. It's juicy. Don't be afraid about juices. Just enjoy it, eat it. And very well. It's delicious. It's delicious. We love burgers. Ciao.